What good is marketing if you can't track it? One of the biggest things we're known for is this ROI engine dashboard. And in 2020, it's getting even more robust. It's going to show a lot of stuff. Your email, text, and messenger open rates, click rates. It's going to show you the reviews. It's going to show you a lot of stuff. But let's talk about what this one shows right here. This is our acquisition engine database program. This shows us how much awareness we used from that first step to grow the database. But more importantly, we can see that we had 9,000 engagements that led to 7,600 opt-ins, which led to 2,772 visits of the restaurant for $92,000 in sales. Now, every location, every business's results are different. This is a 6-location pizza brand. They have a higher than normal average check of $33. This shows us that, number one, we drove the first visit, and then we gently remind them to come back. When these people come back or when they redeem their offers, we launch a survey, which you're going to see the impact of next, and then we launch a series of offers. Now, every client is different. Some clients have 1 offer, some have 5 offers. We customize that for the client's needs and desires. But at the end of the day, our goal is to prove that that attention we got that built the database of the right people. Because as you see here, 26.6% of these people visited on that first offer. Compared to direct mail of 2 to 5%, 26% is pretty freaking good.